It is our ambition to support you worldwide in your production process and to ensure a fast and reliable availability of your solutions. With our new large-scale production site in Changzhou, we want to help you in China and in the entire Asian region to react quickly to your market requirements. Changzhou make use of the full engineering experience, capabilities and resources of PI globally, including our headquarters in Germany. Our engineering and technical experts look forward to supporting and welcoming you on site. Just contact us. 合作共赢